This evening, we had an emergent meeting with all the senior officials of the state government of Meghalaya to monitor the situation in Manipur, especially keeping in mind that a large number of students, almost close to 200 students from Meghalaya today, are studying in Manipur, specifically in Imphal. We are monitoring the situation closely. We are in touch with the students of the different institutes. We are also making arrangements as a state government to try and evacuate our students at the earliest from there so that they can come back safely. We are making arrangements in terms of different transportation, especially air transportation, so that we can safely and quickly bring back our students back to our state. And we are also working on creating a permanent number, call center or a helpline number where the parents and the students can call on a 24-hour basis if they require any help or if any urgent matter is there. And I would like to urge the students studying in Manipur, students from Meghalaya who are studying in Manipur, and the parents of the students also, that please don't panic, be calm. We are monitoring the situation continuously. We are in touch with the Manipur government continuously, and we are making and taking all steps possible to immediately ensure that we are able to, as quickly as possible, evacuate and bring our students back to Meghalaya, and we'll watch the situation carefully. As the situation gets under control, then we can decide on the further course of action.